What is the sum of all possible values of t between 0 and 360 such that the triangle in the coordinate plane whose vertices are cosine 40, comma sine 40, cosine 60, comma sine 60, and cosine t, comma sine t is isosceles? First, let us label them A, B, and C as the vertices. In an isosceles triangle, we can either have AB equals BC, our first case. Case 2, AC equals BC, or our third case, AC equals AB. So these are our three cases of pairwise congruent sides of an isosceles triangle. And let's take a look at what it looks like. So if B is the shared vertex, then it would look like A, B, and C. And then the second case, we have C in the middle of A and B. And then the third case, we have A in the middle of B and C. Okay, so let's look at this graph that we have over here. First off, for the first case, if we want AB to equal BC, we have B between A and C. So C would be somewhere over here. This is our C. And since this distance here is 20 degrees, this distance would also be 20. So C in this case would equal 80 degrees. And then our second case, we have AC equals BC. So C is between A and B. What would that look like? Well, that means our C would be here. And so the distance would be 10 and 10 degrees each, so C equals 50 degrees. And then we also notice that C can be on the opposite side. And this would also work as well because C would then have a measure of 230 degrees. And then ultimately for our last case, we have that A is between B and C, so that would lead to C to be somewhere here. And so the difference is 20 and 20, which means C would be 20 degrees. Now adding up all these possibilities for C, or for this angle, T, we have 80 degrees plus 50 degrees plus 230 degrees plus 20 degrees, which sums up to an ultimate answer of 380 degrees. And that will just be answer choice E.